Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today in this video, we are going to create a complete audio calling app in just 30 minutes. Before starting the video, let me show you the demo of the app which we are going to build today. I have run this app in my two different devices. One is real and one is virtual device. So I will enter the target call ID in my one device and then enter start call, and after that in second device I will enter the same call ID and click on start call. And as you can see, both the devices are connected to each others and they can talk with each other in real times. And you can also see its pre-built UI is looking nice. There are mute functions and in the functionalities and back camera functionality and many more. So without any delay, let's start the video and create this amazing project. First of all, let me introduce you with the ZEGOCLOUD. ZEGOCLOUD is a global communication service provider that provides powerful SDK and API to build interactive real-time apps like voice calling app, video calling app, and chat API. And the best part is you don't need to worry about the UI. It provides pre-built UI kits that you can easily integrate into your Android applications by writing a very minimum line of codes. Here you can see faster time to market with ready to ship UI kits. Means you don't need to worry about the UI. It provides a pre-built UI kits with modern UI. Here you can see, and it also have step-by-step documentations you can follow and integrate into your applications. So now let's first create our Android project in Android Studio, and then later we will sign up on this website. So first of all, let me create Android project in Android Studio. Simply click on create new project, and we are going to create with Kotlin and XML. So I will choose empty views activity and then click on next and give your application name audio call demo and click on enter. And after that it will take some time to build up this project. So till then let's create our account in this ZEGOCLOUD. Click on sign up, and after that you can sign up with the Google's, or you can manually fill up these details in order to sign up, and then click on sign up with Google's and choose your email. And fill up these details, this optional part, and industries, and fill your mobile number. I will keep random. And then click on continue, and here you can see it gives 10,000 minutes for free minute trial. You can utilize this by integrating this SDK and API into your app. So this free trial is it will be expiring. Here you can see 10/26. So you can utilize by integrating this app into your app. And now click on go to dashboard. And let's see our Android project is built up or not. Yeah, the build is successful. Now the Gradle is importing something, and here our account setup is completed in ZEGOCLOUD. And now let's create our project in ZEGOCLOUD. We are going to create a voice and video calls. You can, if you are interested in creating another project, you can explore. It's all powerful SDK. Here you can see you can also build up this all a project, but for now we will going to create voice and video call, and click on next. And give your project name audio call demo. And here is the two way you can get started. If you worry about the UI, then you can start with the UI kits, because everything is built in. Like the UI, you don't need to code. You can use its pre-built UI kits. And if you are planning to use your own UI and fully you want to customize your application, then you can start with this. But I will suggest you to start with the UI kits, because the UI is nice. Here the app is creating, and our in Android Studio our project is built successful. And if you are planning to create another project like I previously saw, then you can further check my other video. I have cover all these things in my other video, like video calling app and chat app. I have already covered in my other video. You can check it there and build your project and start building. And for now, click on Android and standard. We are going to build audio call, so we don't need this standard face beautification. And then click on save and start to integrate. And after that, I will going to read this documentation, because here you can get step-by-step documentations which you can follow. And then we are going to implement an audio only call, so click on implement an audio call only, and we are going to follow this detail. But for now, let's set up its initial dependency, that we need to add these two lines. Copy and go to your Gradle script and build that Gradle file and paste it here. Sorry, we don't need to paste it here. We need to paste in setting.gradle.kts file in under the dependency resolution management, and write URI. Now we have added these things, and also we need to add the dependency. So copy the dependency and go to build.gradle.kts file and paste it here, and then click on sync now. And our project started adding this dependency in our project. And let me see what. Now we are going to follow up this documentation, implement an audio call only. If you want to implement with call invitation, you can copy this code, and if you want basic calls, then copy and paste this code. And now our replace with specific versions. Click on replace with specific, and also replace with new library version catalog, and then click on sync now. And till then, let's create an call activity, because we need call activity. Here you can see. So I will click on this. and right click on that and click on new, and then click on activity and empty views activity, and there name the activity as call activity, and then finish. That's it. And also one thing, I am going to use a banding feature, so I will enable it from the build features, and data banding is equal to true, and then I will click on sync now again, and after that our call activity is also created. So we are going to copy this code and I will paste this here. And now as this code is in Java, so first of all we need to convert this into the Kotlin. So I will write Java to Kotlin converter, and then paste your code here and click on convert, and it will automatically convert your Java code to the Kotlin, and simply copy and then paste it here. Now the most error has been gone. And also import this class. That's it. And we need to add a fragment container in our XML file. So I will add a fragment container. Match parent and start of parent, internal parent, and also give the ID as fragment container. And that's it. Activity layout is completed, and here you can see the error is also gone. And now we need to add our app ID and app sign-in. I will show you from where you can get this app ID and app sign. Go to your ZEGOCLOUD project dashboard, and here you can see you can get your app ID and app sign-in. Simply you need to copy these things and paste it in your Android Studio. So I will copy and paste in my Android Studio, but I will make one separate object class, and then I will paste these things there. Now that's it. I have pasted in my constant class, and here I can directly access this app ID constant.app sign, and here it is saying that expected long but actually int, so we need to convert it to the long. And here we go, everything is completed. And for user ID and username we are going to generate random, but you can implement its real user ID and real usernames by implementing the authentication part in your Android application. So for now I am going to generate it random .toString. And for username I will write user plus user ID. Yeah, that's it. And for the call ID we are going to pass it from the main activity, like the user we'll enter the target call ID, and then we are going to pass it to the call activity. So first of all, go to the main activity XML code, and here we are going to design a simple UI where we ask for the target call ID. So I will match parent wrap content, and hint I will write enter target call ID, and I will also constant start to start parent into end of parent. Yeah. And also give the ID as target call ID, and give some margin 20 dp, and we'll go. And also we need one button to start the call. Top to bottom of target call ID, and that's it, and write the text as start call, and also give some margin as start margin, $20. Let's make it 40. That's it. Our simple layout is ready, and give it as ID as start call ID, button start call button. That's it. Let's also write its backend part. Private let it shared. Okay. First of all, we need to enclose this into the layout tag in order to use the data binding. And now we can use its data binding feature, and also initialize the binding class. Data binding. And now you can simply use the data binding. We are going to set up click listener on this button, and after user will click on start call buttons, we are going to extract the target call ID and pass it to the call activity. So target call ID is equal to binding dot target call ID dot text dot to string. We have successfully extracted the target call ID, and after that we are going to start an intent. This, and we are going to call activity. Now we are going to pass this target call ID. Put extra. Target call ID to the call activity. Now that's it, and let's start the activity. Let's start the intent, and now go to the call activity and receive that past intent, like intent dot get string extra, and give the ID which we are given in the main activity. Copy that ID and go to the call activity and paste it here. And after that, almost our code is completed. And also, when the user will join, turn on microphone. It is false, so make it true. And now the call ID is saying argument type mismatch. Actual type is string, but string was expected. Okay, let me make it mandatory now. The error has been gone. Now let me see that everything is completed or not. Yeah, it is done. Now let me also add the internet permissions in the Android manifest file. Usage permission, internet, and also add microphone permission. That's it. Now first let's build this project and see is everything is working fine or not. I will build this project and see is any error is there or not. And we got an error, like it is saying that minimum SDK version cannot be smaller than version 26 declared in the library. Okay, it means the UI kit which we have integrated, the minimum SDK versions will be 26, so we will upgrade this to the 26 by from here, minimum SDK 26, and then click on sync now. And now let's again rebuild this project and see this error has been gone or not. And we got another error. Here we can see. Okay, let me upgrade. I think this error is come by due to the lower version of Kotlin, so we will upgrade to the its latest version, and then again we click on sync now. Now let's again rebuild this project and see. Let's wait for it complete. Yeah, now our error has been gone and our build is successful. Now let's running this app in our device and check whether everything is working as expected or not. So now let's quickly run our app in two devices and check whether it is working or not. I will first run in my virtual device, and then I will run in my real device. And here our app or both devices is ready, and then I will run in my real device. And in both device our app is installed successfully, and then I will try to enter the call ID, and in second device I will also enter the same call ID, and then click on start call, allow the permission, and here the call is started. And in second I will also click on start call, and allow the permission. And now I think there is something wrong. Yeah, we have done something wrong in our code, so let's check what is wrong in our code. Yes, here the variable is placed at wrong place. Here you can see. So at the place of user ID we have to give user ID, and at the place of username we will give username, and same like that call ID. And then I will run again. And our app is installed in both device, and we will check this time it is working or not. So I will enter the both call ID in both device, and here we go. Our app is running successfully, and it is working correctly as expected. Here you can see we can mute the call, and all the modern features are available in this app. This is it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and exploring.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.